What's up guys, Jason over at Kaiser Willys. Today I'm going to be unboxing the axles for Mike's CJ-3B. Seth up at Red Eye Garage, he did the build. You saw him do the videos of setting all the pinion seals, getting all the gear mesh going together with the differentials, all of that. So he's shipped them down here. We've got them all nicely packaged. We're going to pop it open, get them open. The last thing I'll have to do here before we put them on the vehicle is I'll have to build the brakes, put those on, get all the drums and everything together. The leaf springs, we're going to go ahead and hang all that kind of stuff here in just a little while. And then we'll be getting this thing up onto some wheels so that we can push it around the garage and keep moving. So let's see what these axles look like. We've got nice foam covered over all this. So when we get this all kind of unpacked, let's see what kind of goodies we've got down in here in this pouch. All right. So when we sent these up, they were already blasted and powder coated. All right, so we've got our rear hubs. All right, we've got some small parts here. All right, we're getting down to it. We're getting down to it, guys. All right. They look great. They look great. I don't see any signs of the actual axles moving around or anything like that. They stayed pretty firm. They're not moving in there. So here we go. We've got our front axle for the 3B, rear axle for the 3B. What I'll probably end up doing here, I'll either set these up on a couple sets of jack stands, or I may even just throw it over the frame so that I can get the brake backing plates and everything kind of built up all at one time. And once I have them complete with the drums and everything on the outside, then I'll put them on the leaf springs, and then we'll put them and go ahead and hang them on here all in one piece. Absolutely amazing. And of course there's little pieces of wood that I'll wipe off all this, like this stuff. This is not, you know, anything to do with. It's powder coated, so it'll just wipe right off. Looks great. Again, Seth, Red Eye Garage, huge shout out for getting us all set up and everything with what we've got here. It's a Dana 25 front. You can see that right there. Dana 25 front. And we've got a Dana 44 rear, which you can see right there. So 25 front, 44 rear. We got the area cleaned up here for Mike's CJ-3B. Frame is powder coated. Both axles are powder coated. These guys are ready. Brakes coming soon. Leaf springs coming soon. We're going to be moving on this project pretty quick. Engine's already pretty much built. Got the transmission and transfer case that are emptied and painted, ready to be built. So I'm going to be doing that soon. So yeah, that's our axles for the 3B. Stay tuned for more assembly. Thanks for watching, guys.